book. I'll bring it next time. So today I'm going to talk about green tea. So how many of you drink green tea daily? Okay, I see quite a few people. After my speech today, you're going to make an habit of drinking green tea. So it's better to be deprived of food for 3 days than tea for one. So I'm going to talk about what is green tea actually. Green tea is a special kind of tea produced from the leaves of Camellia sinensis. It's good for health because it undergoes less oxidation during its making. Its origin is traced back something 4,000 years back, and it's originated in China, and it became more popular in European countries and Asian countries for its proclaimed herbal qualities. Doctor claimed that the consumption of green tea is helpful for reducing the minimizing the heart diseases and also the many kinds of cancer. But the main use of green tea is for treating the obesity. So let's see how does the green tea work. Green tea is an excellent fat burner, and there is a one of the studies indicated that those who drank green tea for continuously for 3 months were able to reduce more fat than the people who do the workout and who go to routine workouts without the green tea. So the studies also indicated that the support for this weight loss in the green tea comes from a substance called catechin. This special extract called catechin is it communicates with the chemicals in the body, and chemicals in the body, and it triggers communication to the brain. Catechin tells the body to increase the metabolism and in turn reduces the body fat. So this study has become so legitimate and so popular that it went into the famous journal called American Journal for Clinical Nutrition. So there are two substances, caffeine and forgot the other thing. Caffeine is like it is less quantity in green tea compared to black tea and black tea and the coffee, but it acts high on the metabolism. So the other substance is theanine. I got it. It's a amino acid. It equally important to reduce the body fat in because it relaxes it releases the dopamine from the body, and which in turn helps in reducing the body fat. So we saw the advantages and how the green tea works. Let's see how to prepare the green tea. So we need to make sure we prepare the green tea properly. So for 1.25 grams of green tea, we need to add 150 ml of water. So and preferably we need to brew the coffee in the earthen pot with the lid closed. The amount of brewing depends on the quality of the tea. So the more the quality, the less brewing time. So and vice versa. So how much like let's say we have seen many of the advantages green tea and how to prepare green tea. Let's see, I mean, the $1,000,000 question is, how much of green tea is required every day? Many scholars answered it differently. The famous Chinese homeopathic practitioner, they mentioned to have 10 to 9 cups of green tea every day. But other scholars mentioned to have 2 to 3 cups of green tea every day. So on an average, we need to take 4 to 5 cups of it was concluded that we need to take 4 to 5 cups of green tea every day. So I conclude the speech by saying that where there is hope, there is a where there is tea, there is hope. And let's make good polity with good green tea. Thank you.